Hello everyone, today I will be upgrading my hang-on filter to my 20-gallon freshwater tank, and I will be replacing it with Hygger bilateral hang-on back filter. Quick disclosure, this was sent to me by Hygger for review, but as always, all opinions are my own. First inside the box is your manual. Here's the extension tube and filter basket with foam to protect small fish and shrimp from getting stuck. It comes with 4 filter cartridges and 2 of them are extras. Here's the main canister. The build material is plastic but feels premium. The design is simple with one flow rate adjustment knob. The cover is removable for easy maintenance. It also features a rubber strap that can keep the filter vertical and prevents overflow. Now before using the cartridge, I have to soak it in the water. In my case, I'm using my RODI water. Now while soaking it in the water, let's go ahead and connect the extension tube and the basket with foam. Now it's time to remove the old filter and bring in the Hygger hang-on back filter. Let's insert the 2 cartridges into the slot. In order for the pump to work properly, let's add water to the canister. Let's put back the cover and test it out for the first time. First impression, I'm really impressed how quiet the water pump is. The flow is just about right in full power. The flow rate adjustment knob is not that tight to turn unlike the other hang-on filters that I have used. I like that it comes with 6-stage filtration combining biological, chemical, and physical multiple filtration. I love the waterfall design that promotes the amount of dissolved oxygen for making your fish healthier and more active. And so far, I love this upgrade. It definitely gave my 20-gallon freshwater more flow compared to my old one. It was an easy install and no complicated steps needed. The instruction was clear from the manual, the packaging was tidy and no missing parts. I love this Hygger brand and I also used their Wavemaker in my saltwater tank, and so far it was working great. If you're looking for a simple, decent and quiet aquarium filter, this hang-on back filter is definitely worth checking out. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one.